Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is HOPPE'S Cleaning Patch. These HOPPE'S cleaning patches in 22 to 270 calibers are the best cleaning patches with ultra-absorbent technology. This cleaning patch defiantly fits the use and the lifestyle of the users. This is good cleaning patch just has to do its job, clean the gun. These patches work great on my .357 mag, .44 mag, .460 mag conversion as well as regular .45 autos. You can use the M Pro 7 cleaner in the brushes to loosen the gunk lead from inside your barrel and other areas like slide, gas piston. This best for hunting gun cleaning supplies and also made of the highest quality materials. Our second best gun cleaning patches is Boosteddy gun cleaning patches. They are more effective, absorbent, thicker and more durable. By attaching to the standard bore brush, it quickly cleans the neglected area for smooth and easy functions. Its 100% cotton material and quality is a perfect choice for the sniper rifles and guns. Great multi-purpose patches. Good for cleaning, scrubbing, and polishing. They seem to hold up well and not leave any excess fibers. I highly recommend this great deal. Punch your bore with thick material which has superior structural integrity and will not fall apart when being used. The patches were pre-cut and fit easily in the gun's tight areas. Fits tight down barrels without sticking. Highly absorbent, do a good job of soaking up carbon fouling, dirt, grime, leftover lubricant, etc. Includes 1000 cleaning patches, comes with a carton box for storage, carton box sized 5.9 by 4.6 by 1.2 inch. Third pick in our list is Otis Technology's cleaning patches. The Otis Technology all-caliber cleaning patches are the perfect and excellent cleaning patches that function well and suitable for any size weapon. These Otis gun cleaning patches are designed to fit a certain quality shotgun, rifles, and handguns. The design feature makes even distribution of cleaning lubricating liquids a mindless endeavor, one where you do not have to be concerned with uneven coverage within the barrel. Otis Technology all-caliber cleaning patches are an excellent cleaning accessory that work equally well with virtually any size weapon. Every firearm ranging from .25 caliber rifles to 12 by 10 gauge shotguns can be cleaned using this Otis Technology cleaning kit. Otis all-caliber patches can be used up to 6 times and are 100% cotton, making them highly absorbent with all sorts of solvents and lubricants. These unique cleaning kits offer 360 degrees of cleaning coverage and can be attached to any cleaning rod with a slotted tip. Otis Technology all-caliber patches are the universal cleaning patches that don't have to be cut down or measured for size. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Doug Koenig, the world's best all-around shooter, sponsored by Otis Technology, with your tip for the day. Today's tip is how to properly use Otis's patented all-caliber patches. Otis's all-caliber patches can be used on 22 caliber through 50 caliber. For 22 to 27 caliber firearms, use the outer holes on the patches. Choose the 22 caliber tip, take a pinch on the patch. The closer you pinch to the slotted tip, the smaller the swab will be. Pinch upward and insert through the slotted tip. Pull tightly, and now you have created a swab that will give you 360 degree coverage. For 30 to 50 caliber firearms, insert the 30 caliber tip into one of the inner holes. Take a pinch on the patch. Again, the closer you pinch to the slotted tip, the smaller the swab you will create. Pinch upward and insert through the slotted tip. Pull tight, and now you have created a swab that will give you 360 degree coverage. When creating a swab for 38 caliber, 9mm or larger, you may want to use 2 all-caliber patches for a tighter fit within the barrel, making a more detailed cleaning. To create a swab for a shotgun, insert the shotgun slotted tip in one of the inner holes. Slide on the appropriate size patch saver, take a pinch on the patch, pinching upward, and insert through the slotted tip. Pull tight, and now you have created a swab that will give you 360 degree coverage in your shotgun barrel. These patches are unique in the way they provide up to 6 cleanings per patch. Otis's 2-inch patches used for 17 to 25 caliber firearms and Panoply patches used for 38 caliber Our larger firearms also provide up to 6 cleanings per patch. For more information on Otis products, visit otistech.com. And remember, keep it clean using Otis breech-to-muzzle cleaning systems.
Number 4 in our side is Proshot Flannel Gun Cleaning. If you are in search of such amazing cleaning patches, then you have 500 Proshot patches in a single package to apply to use till the last piece. These Proshot 3" square patches are considered the best for the cleaning project. Great patches for the money. Absorbs bore cleaning and lubricants well due to the tight fabric weave to aid in the cleaning lube process. High thread count with tightly woven material along with our double napped on both sides creates a superior cleaning patch that have become known worldwide for their cleaning ability. This patches carry the fouling through the bore with the least amount of abrasive contact to the barrel's rifling. The fact is well known that nothing surpasses our exclusive spec American-made 100% cotton flannel fabric finished on both sides for purposes of absorbing foreign matter and residue. Number 5 in our top 5 best gun cleaning patches list is Outers Cotton Patches. Outers is the name that lets you trust and choose the best for all your firearm cleaning needs. The Outer 30 caliber bag patches are the most popular patches in cotton to take in bulk. Good quality patches, and easy to use. It's made of the highest quality material and also has hunting gun cleaning supplies. Precisely measured and cut to assure complete bore coverage on specific calibers. It's a synthetic material for absorbency and durability. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.